Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's tip is set up security questions for service desk inquiries. The Office of Technology is responsible for safeguarding our state's computer systems and software. A key component of this security process involves using security questions, which enable our service desk to verify your identity before assisting you. To maintain system security, all employees must set up the required security questions as a priority when receiving their state-issued IT hardware and access. Let's look at how to set up security questions for the service desk. Open Google Chrome and go to the Ivanti website. https://otsm.wv.gov/heat. On the login screen, if you are in the office or on VPN, click Sign In with Windows Integrated Security, WIS. If you are off the network and not on VPN, you can log in using your computer username and password. On the Select Role screen, click Self-Service Portal. Keep in mind that your screen may look different than mine. Click Submit. In the navigation menu to the left, select the Self-Service Catalog. It is the icon below the house. Scroll down until you see the Security Questions for Service Desk icon and click it. On the Security Questions for Service Desk pop-up, it will tell you what it is for. Click Request in the bottom left of the pop-up. Fill out the form and click Review and Submit at the bottom. Review the information. If correct, click the Submit button at the bottom. Click Edit if you need to make changes. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.